I'm not going to teach you guys, okay? So let's get that thing clear. And so today, for a while, I've thought, what should I create for Christmas? Christmas is coming on 25th December, and it's already like whatever the date is. Um, I have to do something quick. So I thought of making a reel, like a model or something like that. So I have an idea, like this is going to be the base. Here I'm going to put three quilling pieces. Oh, disclaimer, the spoiler actually, that I'm going to use quilling, so you can also build with me. Here will be the quilling, small small rounds that makes the stem. Above will be a Christmas tree, and here will be a small wood kinda, and then I'm going to paste a rectangular piece on which I've written Merry Christmas or anything like that, whatever I wish. So already I have made this much. Let me show you guys this much. Okay, this might seem like it's blue, but it's not blue. It's like I've created a small card box, and this is actually like aqua green, aqua green or blue, whatever the shade is, but I think it's green. And here is the little stem which I was talking about. Okay, and this is the first layer I'm building. So what I'll do is build one more like this, connected, and paste it here. Then I'm going to build smaller like these, and I'm going to show you after I've built this part and pasted it here. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, I've not pasted it yet, but let me paste it in front of you. And I think you guys might know what quilling is. Quilling is like origami, but like you have to curly and whirly, and you get the idea, right? Like that. And it's time for a coffee break, guys. See, I love coffee, and especially I have. This is not a sponsor video, okay? So don't think like I'm doing a sponsoring. I have recently bought this Sundew beaten coffee powder. I've not tried the cold one because I think I might catch a cold. So I'm trying the hot one, and it's really good. Like it's way easier, and personally I've not drank tea, but I think coffee is better than tea. So yeah. Mm. It's just tasty. Oh my god. Ah, just feel it. Okay, guys, so I also have to complete my work, the task I've taken. Why is it getting out? Stay in your place, Dumbo. Wait a second. I'll fix this problem even the go, and I'll get back to you guys after I have done another layer. Okay, and I fixed this problem. Guys, so I'm so sorry. I got carried away in making, and like this is the view from the side, and this is from the above, and changes of plan. I'm not going to make it this like this. My Christmas, I'm going to just write it here. First of all, I need to paste cotton as in for snowfall, because Christmas is basically snow. So I'm making snow, guys. Yay! Yeah. Okay, let's start like a little kid, 5 year old. Never mind. Ignore the background noises if you're able to hear any. Okay, so I have to keep talking so that you don't hear what's going on. And since it's wedding season, and near the place where I live, so yeah, you might hear some noises. Why is my cursor disturbing? Right now, it's actually a big time for such things. So I'm just filming this video because I want to, and that is the thing. Okay, ignore the background noises. Ignore them, and obviously I drop it in the comment in the shorts section, so you can see the final view as well. And if you want to show any one what I have made, you can just forward the short, okay, and ignore the background noises. Okay, please, please. I can't do anything. I can't film it again because I've already. This is a one shot. Yes, so yeah, I can't do anything. And I'm just basically covering the whole place with snow. So yeah, I'm just gonna drop a few drops or something like that so that I can just paste. Going to make small balls of it. If you see my hands right now, they're like covered in glue. So it's making it even more difficult to deal with the cotton. So it's a little difficult. I don't know how this will turn out. At the end of the day, what is my rating would really be the worst. Okay, and in the comments section below, you can also comment how you felt about this product that I just built a disaster. So yeah, I don't know how long it will take me to make it look like, yeah, it was actually raining snow. Okay, wait just a second. Last, and we are done, guys. Right now with the snow. Okay, we're not done with the project. We still have to write Merry Christmas. Okay, so yeah, basically it's looking. My mother will throw this out, I think so. If she doesn't throw it out, I'll throw it out. Okay, guys, now I'll come with the markers and show you the final touch. Okay, guys, wait a second. So this is the final product, guys. I think so. It's great. Not good, but not bad. Let me show you from here. So I'm giving you like a preview of what I created. Merry Christmas, guys. Actually, in advance. Hey, so I'm zooming out, guys. Bye, guys.